we have to rewrite our rational fraction into partial fractions. How we do this? First, we have to check the power of numerator and denominator. In this example, we have t squared and t cubed. So the power of numerator is less than the power of denominator, so everything is okay. We don't have to do long division. Next step, we have to factorize our denominator. We have t cubed minus 8. We can rewrite that this is t cubed minus 2 to third power. 2 to third is 8, so everything is okay. We will copy numerator. Next, we have here difference of two perfect cubes. So let me remind you formula. When you have a cube minus b cube, this is equal a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. In our example, a is equal t and b is equal 2. So now we can rewrite our denominator that this is t minus 2 times t squared plus 2t plus 4. And numerator we have to copy. I just substitute to this form a by t and b by 2. So next we have first parenthesis linear factors, everything is okay, and in the second we have quadratic functions. So first we have to check if we can factorize this expression t squared. So we will calculate the discriminant. Let me remind you formula. When we have general form a x squared plus bx plus c, we need to find value of b squared minus 4ac. If the value will be greater or equals 0, we can find the real roots and we can factorize our denominator. When b squared minus 4ac will be less than 0, it means that we don't have real roots. It means we cannot factorize this expression. So let me calculate. We have in b is equal to coefficient before x, so before t, and a is equal coefficient before x squared, so t squared is invisible 1, and c is constant 4. So we have that b squared minus 4ac is equal 2 to second power minus 4 times 1 times 4. So this is 2 to second power is 4 minus 16. This is negative 12 is less than 0. So it means we don't have real roots, so we will not factorize the second factor. So it means that we have to now copy our factors, and now these factors will be our denominator of partial fractions. So we have first t minus 2, and the second is t squared plus 2t plus 4. In this example, in denominator, first we have linear factor. So when we have linear factor, in the numerator we have only constant, which we have to find. And when we have quadratic denominator, it means that in numerator we have to have lower degree than the denominator. It will be, we have a, so now will be b x plus c. We have to have a linear expression. Always in the numerator we need to have one less degree than in the denominator. So now we need to find a, b and c. So let me first get rid of denominators. It means we have to multiply both sides of our equation by the denominator of our original fraction. So it will be t minus 2 and t squared plus 2t plus 4. And the right side we have to multiply also by t minus 2 and t squared plus 2t plus 4. So now we see that on the left side t minus 2 we can reduce and t squared plus 2t plus 4, and on the left side we will have only 5t square plus 7t plus 16. This is equal. On the right side we have to multiply every fraction in brackets by this whole expression. So when we multiply this fraction by this whole expression, t minus 2 will reduce and we will have only a times t squared plus 2t plus 4. And the last fraction when we multiply by this whole expression, t squared plus 2t plus 4 will reduce and we will have only bx plus c times t minus 2. Now to find a, b and c, we will first do multiplication on the right side. The left we will copy. So this is equal. First we have to multiply every expression in parentheses by a, so it will be a t squared plus, first we write the number, next a t, and we have a times 4 is 4a plus, and now every expression in the first parenthesis we have to multiply by every expression in the second parenthesis. Of course I should write here t because in our example unknown is now t. So now we have bt times t, so this is equal bt squared. bt times negative 2 is negative 2bt. c times t is ct. c times negative 2 is negative 2c. Left side we will copy, and on the right side we have to combine the like terms. We have t squared and t squared, so first I will write constant a plus b. I will just factorize t squared from these two terms, and next we will write the terms with t. We'll write this in descending order, so t squared next will be t. We have 2at, negative 2bt and c. So we will have plus in parentheses 2a negative 2b plus c times t, and the last will be constant plus 4a minus 2c. So now left side must be equal to the right side. How we do this? We just compare the coefficients before t squared and t squared, t and constants. So we have a plus b should be equal 5. Next we have this whole term in parentheses must be equal 7. So we have 2a minus 2b plus c equals 7. And constant 4a minus 2c must be equal 16. We have 3 unknowns, a, b, c, and we have 3 equations, so everything is okay. First I will divide the third equation by 2, both sides, so it will be 4a divided by 2 give me 2a, negative sign we copy, 2c divided by c is c, and this is equal 16 divided by 2 is 8. What else? We will use substitution method. I will calculate b, a from the first equation. So will be a is equal 5, b I will move to the other side, so will be now negative b. What else we can do? Now we can substitute to the second equation a, and from the last I will find c, so it will be, I will move c to the right side, a to the left side, so it will be 2a minus 8 is equal c. So now I will substitute to the second equation a and c. So we will have, let me copy this, 2a minus 2b plus c is equal 7. Like I said, I will substitute a first. So it will be 2 times 5 minus b minus 2b we copy, and c is equal 2a minus a, 8. So will be plus 2a minus 8. This is equal 7. So now 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times negative b is negative 2b. And we have negative 2b. And now plus 2 and again a. I will substitute by 5 minus b minus 8. This is equal 7. We have equation with one unknown. First we have to do multiplication and we can combine the like terms. So we have 10, negative 2, negative 2b, so it will be negative 4b. And we have 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times negative b is negative 2b, minus 8, this is equal 7. Negative 4b and negative 2b, so this is negative 6b. And I will move the numbers to the right side, so we have 10, 20, minus 8 is 12, so it will be 7 minus 12. So we have negative 6b is equal 7 minus 12 is negative 5. So now I will divide both sides by negative 6. Negative 6 and 6 will reduce, and we have that b is equal negative 5 over 6. We have b. So now we can find a. So a is equal 5 minus, have negative 5 over 6. So this is negative 5 over 6. So negative and negative give me positive. So we have 5 and 5 over 6. We have a, b, and c we have to find now. So let me rewrite. C is equal to a minus 8. So now I will substitute a. Because we have here mixed number, I will change to improper fraction. So it will be 6 times 5 is 30, plus 5 is 35 over 6. So we have C is equal 2 times 35 over 6 minus 8. We can reduce 6 with 2, will be 3. So we have 35 over 3 minus 8. So C is equal 35 divided by 3. So this is 11 and 2/3 minus 8. So this is equal 3 and 2 over 3. And again, I will change this to improper, this mixed fraction to improper fraction. So it will be 3 times 3, 9, plus 2 is 11 over 3. So now we can rewrite our solution because we find a, b and c constants, so we can write that our original fraction 5t squared plus 7t plus 16 over t cubed minus 8, this is equal a, we found that this is equal 35 over 6 t minus 2 plus b is negative 5 over 6t plus c is 11 over 3 over t squared plus 2t plus 4. This is my solution.